Hello people, welcome to the channel. This is a review on a special item that was passed on to my grandson. He's only 4, a little bugger, right, but that's besides the point. He has behaved because he knows that Uncle Brett,
and Reggie, did I say
the
it was
urban stealth camper van man, put the link in for you. It's either there or there, I can't remember. And Hobbit's Village. Hobbit's Village have sent him a couple of things to review. He's reviewed the little toy, little radio controlled car, which the dog loves, so he's keeping that. But he's also had this item, which we're reviewing now. So I'll put a link for Hobbit's Village, and I'll do the review when he comes home. I'm going to undo the unboxing now whilst he's not here, so I can put the batteries and everything in ready for when he unboxes it, that it'll all ready up and going. So thank you very much, Brett. Those batteries were a fortune. You had your head screwed on there. Right, we'll see you in a while. Right, me and Womble are going to go and do the review in the living room because it's a little bit brighter in here than in the kitchen. So there's the box. Of course, I've already pulled the tape, so he seems to smell something's wrong with that box. So he's getting very, very excited. I don't know why, right, but he is getting excited. And he wants to have a look in. He thinks the digger's for him. Right, I'm going to put you on the tripod and lay you down so I can undo the boxing. That's why Womble's getting. Look at him, he can't flip him. Wait, it's like Christmas. Oh, it's like Christmas. Look, who's that? Who's that? Who's come home? The ransom note has been answered. Oh, Womble's got Great Uncle Bulgaria back. Whoopee. Yeah, that's it. We know where they're going. Right, let's start from scratch, eh? Right. Got the digger. We'll get rid of the box. Ready? Gone. Right, yeah, you can see it. Right, as I say, I've already had Luke inside, and he is going to be so excited when he gets hold of this. So excited when he gets hold of this. Right, and the best part about it, on the box, I don't know whether you can see there. Let's have a look. Let's zoom in a bit there. Look, I can play with it. It's only just over my age bracket. So as we say, it's radio controlled. It says 7 channel. I can only work out 3 channels on it. Excavator. He keeps calling it a JCB when we told him. So it's a 360. I haven't managed to get it to go round and round in circles yet, so I don't know. Battery operated. Brett, you don't know how lucky you are. The price of them batteries. All the instructions. It's on the box. There's nothing that came inside. Just a sales thing. Super power. Right. Says the body spins around. I haven't managed to do it that. So we'll put the box to the back. Right. And I'll lift him out. Radio. That down. You know, that makes something more excited than the kid is. He ain't got it yet. So there you go. Move the wrapper away. I want to put it back in the box. I do know that the switch is under the back. Took me ages to find that. We got flashing LEDs. We got flashing LEDs inside, blue and red. So I haven't worked out how to make it spin. It does say on the end of the box, but I haven't got my glasses on, so I don't know. But I do know that it goes. Oh, there it goes. It goes round and round in circles that way. Does it go the other way? Yeah, it goes both ways. I do like that. Right. Oh no! It's got a radio in. Let's turn that off. What's that one for? Doesn't say what that one's for. Right. I do know that these two buttons on the ends, right, operates the digger. Right, so get it to there, spin it round and dump it over there. Alright, let's bring it back now. Oh, let's spin it back round. Right, and then we'll finish throwing the load off. Alright, now we can go forwards or backwards. I like that. Let's see if it'll dig the dish up. Nope, it won't dig the dish. It'll pull the tissues out. Oh, let's have a look. You missed that. You missed that. So one will do it again because there's another packet in there. It nearly got it out. Let's go forwards a tad. Nope. Ready. Forwards a tad. Oh, now we got the whole dish. Oh, look at that. That's a glass dish as well. It's he's going to have more fun than what I am going to have. So let's get it back over the dish. Go forwards. Back a bit. Down. Oh, there's a sweetie in there as well. Let's get the sweetie out. Oh, I nearly had the sweetie. Never mind. As I say, I'll finish this review when he comes home from school. He's at school at the moment, so I've got until 3 o'clock to carry on playing with it. So, right, catch you in a while. So at school, so you've had a good day at school? You've been a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what did you do to your knee?
Hurt myself.
You hurt yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a plaster on?
Yeah.
Right. Postman's been.
Okay.
There's a big parcel for you.
Okay.
Yeah? Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yeah? Mummy, get it? Because Gaga's filming.
Where is it?
Where would the postman put it? Oh.
Right.
Right. Go on in. Get the box out. Spot. Come on out of the way. Oh. Oh. Right. Only one end is open. And I don't know which end it is. Mummy, help.
That end.
Yeah, it is this end. Slide it out.
Slide it out. It is a claw one.
Yeah, I got the remote. Right.
Too tricky.
Mummy know how to turn it on? Right, leaf. Right. At the back, underneath. There. Right.
One top one.
Right.
I know how
Look,
to turn
here's a
it.
remote. Right. That one plays music. Can you dance with it? I'm too close. Alright, let's stop that. Let's play together. Right. Pushing forwards. Right. Stop it like that. Stop. Right. On the top. On the top, 2 buttons. Look. Watch. Watch.
These ones.
Spot. Got to press and hold it. That's it. Press that button and hold it. What's it doing? Right. Now the top middle buttons, look. Those 2 there. Press 1 at a time. 1. And again. Press and hold him. Press and hold. Press and hold it on. That's it. Hold it on. Now press the other one.
Stop.
Right, stop.
Okay.
Right. That one goes left. Or right. Oh. That one does it the other way. Push them 2 together. Push 2 together. Push them forwards together. And it goes forwards. Well, you got to learn when to stop. Both. I'm not having that. I'm not having that. Press it again and stop it then. I blame Uncle Brett for that.
Mind the batteries run out.
Yeah. Hope not, they're expensive. It'll only go so far one way and then you're going to go back the other way.
Don't it?
Don't drive into the furniture. Other way, backwards. That's it. Other way, other button, other one. That's it. It's clockwork. You got to only wind one way so far.
I am turning this off.
Turning it off for?
Because I am not play with this anymore.
And I've just got that on camera.
Why don't you want to play with it anymore?
Right. Now is what you've got to do now, right, is say, right, put it down then because you're not playing with it no more, and say, thank you Uncle Brett, I love it and I'm going to play with it.
I love it, I am going to play with it.
Right. And that was all down to Hobbit's Village. Say, thank you Hobbit's Village.